Christmas, everybody. Hi guys, today I'll be making chocolate chip cookies for Santa Claus. And the first thing you need is parchment paper and some cookie dough. The first thing you do is get your cookie dough and put in your parchment paper. Now we're going to put it in the oven. Make sure the oven is 350 degrees for 11 minutes. While we wait for the cookies, I'm going to answer some questions.
What is your favorite part about Christmas?
My favorite part about Christmas is decorating the Christmas tree, and it also reminds me of Jesus.
Okay, what's your favorite Christmas song?
My favorite Christmas song is Rudolph.
Can you sing the first 2 lines of Rudolph? Rudolph the red.
Red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And
Good. Okay, what is your favorite Christmas food?
my favorite Christmas food is candy because it's red. Guys, they came out so good. I hope you could try them. Merry Christmas. Thank you for subscribing and have a wonderful time. Bye.